Here we go, number 15. If you are just joining us and you haven't watched the other videos, you need to make sure that you go back and view videos 1 and 2, and then you can look at this one. This story problem is very much like one on your homework and remembering, so I would pay close attention. It's about going camping, and he's making trail mix. I just bought a bunch of trail mix. Anyway, Jerry is making trail mix for his camping trip. He has 200 grams of peanuts. Okay, 200 grams of peanuts. 350 grams of raisins. So far I like, I'm going to underline raisins and peanuts. So far I like that they both are in grams. That's a good sign so far. And 735 grams, they're good, of pretzels. He wants to make 2 kilograms of trail mix. So he wants to put all those together and hopefully it adds up to 2, is what he's saying, to 2 kilograms. That's important. I'm going to squiggle that. They just changed the unit on us. How many more? You should know what that means. It means at the end we'll be doing some subtraction. How many more grams of ingredients does he need to add to the mix? Oh, and they want it in grams. Whew, a lot's going on here. First of all, I want to ask Jerry a question. Why is he only putting peanuts, raisins, and pretzels? Where are the M&Ms? That's the best part of a trail mix, right? Am I right? Okay, let's figure this out. He wants to make 2 kilograms. So first let's add up what he has and see if he's close to 2 kilograms. Okay, let's add up what he has. They're all in grams, so we can just stack them up right now over here on this side. So we have 735 grams. 350 grams, and 200 grams. They're all grams, so I can add them up, and my answer will be in grams. 5, 8, 12. Wow, he has 1,285 grams. I know it might be blowing your mind, like, what? That's a ton. But remember, he's wanting to make 2 kilograms. A gram is very, very tiny compared to a kilogram. In fact, a kilogram is 1,000 grams. So we need to do a conversion real quick. We need to convert what we got here into kilograms. We need to convert 1,285 grams into kilograms. We put that convert word in a box. We're going to convert these grams to kilograms. So we need the staircase. I'm just going to quickly draw it, so should you. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, and they're grams this time. Okay, so I started here in the middle, and I'm working my way up to the kilograms. How many times did I move up there to get to kilo? 1, 2, 3. So I'm moving my decimal 3 to the left, 3 backwards. So the decimal's here at the end. Move it 3 times. 1, 2, I'm going to use purple actually. 1, 2, 3. It's right where the comma is. So it's 1.285 kilograms. Okay. How much should Jerry want to make? 2 kilograms. So he hasn't quite gotten there yet. He's at 1.285. He's close. So the question is, how many more grams of ingredients does he need? First of all, let's find out how many kilograms he needs. Then we'll convert it back. Okay, so he wanted 2, so you're going to have to do some subtraction. So write subtract. Start with what he wanted, which was 2, and take away what he has made so far. He's made 1 point. Why did I put the 1 there? Because I know there's a decimal after 2. So it's 1.285. Like that. 1.285. And I'm subtracting. Well, heaven's sakes, I need a lot of Zero the Heroes. It's going to be a lot of borrowing. It's going to be so fun. You can't take away anything until you get here. Right? Oh, do you know the button man, the button man, the button man? Do you know the button man? He lines the decimals up. Okay. So I got to borrow. I got to come clear over here. I'm not looking for it there yet, so I keep making them 10 and then 9s. And now I'm over here on the right with 10. And this should go quick. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1, 7, 0. So How many more grams of ingredients does he need? Well, this was kilograms. So do you understand why we're having to convert back? I hope so. Also, it's bugging me that we didn't do our staircase in purple. Be quick, add that. It's kind of fun that you can just pause the video whenever you want. Like, oh, I'm getting sick of hearing Miss Fisher. I'm just going to push pause. Lucky. Okay. Now I need to answer the question. How many more grams does he need? Well, right now I have kilograms. So guess what we're going to do again? Convert. We have to, actually, I'm going to write convert back. I think that's good for you to know that we're actually going back to grams. So I started with 0.715 kilograms, and I'm trying to convert that back to grams. So you need the staircase for this. Go to kilo, kilo. Go to grams, which will be down here. So 3 staircases, 1, 2, 3. And I went this way. Go ahead and write that 3 times. So I move the decimal to the right, or down the line 3 times. And use purple. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. It's right there at the end. 715 grams. We did it, folks. Let's put in a complete sentence. How many more grams of ingredients does he need to add to the mix? He needs to add 715 grams. Make sure that's what they asked for. Did they ask for it in grams? Not any more grams. Yep. He needs to add 715 grams to the mix. Putting these in a complete sentence will help you know how to rephrase things better as we work on that over time. He needs to add, you can even say Jerry needs, but it's fine. He needs to add 715 grams to the mix. Well, that's it for the math journal today. The homework and remembering is kind of difficult. So before you do that, I just want to review what you need to do. You need to make sure you've completed in your journal numbers 1 through 12. You need to make sure that you've done all the work for 13. It took a lot of time. And 15. And then you also need to get on to Think Central and find assignment 8.10 to do for the day. And then in your work folder, you need to find homework and remembering 8.10. Complete all on both sides, except stretch your thinking on remembering. And stand up, clap for yourself, pat yourself on the back, whatever you want to do. You've officially made it several days of a math journal, so congrats. We'll see you again next time.